This is the 511 LV10 sling bag. It is made of 840 denier nylon and all around with YKK zippers. It has the back padded and it has loops if you want to attach another support strap. On the side it has a pocket to support a 1 liter bottle, of which I carry, with buckles if you want to attach a jacket. It comes with 3 handles, one on the side, one on the top, and another one on the bottom. With the bottom handle I attached a small light for the vehicles to see me while I'm walking at night. In the first front side pouch I carry a roll-on, hand sanitizer and wipes. On the top sided pouch I carry the keys and my phone which I'm recording with. In the back CCW pouch I don't carry guns because I'm to one person combat, but I place my towel for the gym. It is all fleeced and very comfortable. Now to the main compartment. The main compartment is double zippered like the back compartment, and here in these two pockets I carry to charge my phone, speaker or headphones. I've attached with the molly a small first aid kit, very basic first aid kit. I carry a small jacket. I have a speaker because I love music, and headphones for the gym. In the small sided pockets I carry a wallet, a small pen, and 2 multi-tools, Swiss and a Leatherman. And I have still room to spare for more attachments. On the side I have some snacks like rice cakes, mints, dark chocolate, very basic. This is the gear and the bag that I carry all year round. I love it, it's very comfortable. If you don't load it too much, it will remain comfortable. So, thanks for watching.